salamat sa inyong pag-anhi, no? Kay kani karon aduna kita giatubang ang may krisis sa tungod aning atong nadawatan nga sulat gikan sa ang heading sa sulat is Local Water Utilities Administration, but gipirmahan lang kanini Mr. Julius Paulo Ubasa, Corporate Board Secretary 5. So, may tungod kani sa full intervention of LUWA in Cagayan de Oro City Water District. So, mao kini karon nga niya kita diri parang mutubag sa inyong mga pangutana o yeah, and I don't know kung nabasa na ba ninyo ni na letter o gusto ba ninyo basahon ako? Sige, no? So, basahon ako ang mao nga sulat. One pager lang siyang letter, no? And dated May 29, so karon, May 29, 2024, addressed to the members of the Board of Directors Cagayan de Oro City Water District, Corrales Avenue, Cagayan de Oro City, through Ms. Nelia B. Lee, Chairperson, CAUD Board of Directors, and also to the management of CAUD Corrales Avenue, Cagayan de Oro City, through Engineer Antonio Yang, General Manager. The subject is full intervention of LUWA in Cagayan de Oro City Water District. Dear sirs, madams, greetings. This is to respectfully inform the Board of Directors and the management of the Cagayan de Oro City Water District that the Local Water Utilities Administration Board of Trustees has adopted Resolution Number 34, Series of 2024, dated 17 May 2024, during the 1009th regular meeting of the Board of Trustees, implementing a full intervention in CAUD or COWD for 6 months through the assumption of both your policy-making authority and the powers of management. This is in line with the regulatory and supervisory powers of LUWA under Presidential Decree number 198 or PB 198 as amended, CAUD's existing financial assistance contract or FAC with LUWA, which lists violations constituting default and the remedies of LUWA, and the urgent directive of the President given in his speech in Cagayan de Oro City on 16 May 2024. During the said intervention, the current regular Board of Directors shall be set aside and shall cease and desist from existing their functions. In addition, the incumbent General Manager shall also cease and desist from performing his functions. However, he may be assigned certain duties by the interim General Manager. The undersigned also certifies that nothing in the adopted resolution prevents the affected officers to seek meetings with LUWA or the interim officers or to appeal the matter before the proper venue while LUWA's full intervention is ongoing. Thank you very much. Very truly yours, Julius Paulo C. Basas, Corporate Board Secretary, number 5. So